Hey there, need to move money between accounts on a specific date? Scheduling transfers on Chase.com automates your cash flow, ensuring money is where it needs to be, when it needs to be there. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to schedule it. Log into your Chase account online and go to Pay and Transfer. Select Schedule Transfer. Choose the From and To accounts. They can be Chase accounts or linked external accounts. Enter the amount and pick a date, either a one-time future date or a recurring date. Review the details and submit. The transfer will process automatically on the date you selected. My crucial pro tip: mind the cutoff times. Transfers scheduled for a future date typically process early in the morning. If you need funds to be available on a specific day, schedule the transfer for the business day before. This accounts for any processing delays. That's how you plan your finances with precision and avoid last-minute stress. Do you schedule transfers for savings, bill payments, or both? Let me know your system in the comments. If organization guides help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.